subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Samsung has silently launched its new budget smartphone under A series in Thailand called Galaxy A02. Talking about the specifications, the Samsung Galaxy A02 features a 6.5-inch HD Plus Infinity V display with a water drop notch at the top center that houses an 5-megapixel selfie camera with f2.0 aperture. The rear panel of the phone supports a textured finish that carries an vertically aligned dual camera setup at the top left corner, including an LED flash. The dual rear camera includes a 13-megapixel main camera with f1.9 aperture and a 2-megapixel macro lens with f2.4 aperture. Under the hood, the Galaxy A02 comes powered by MediaTek MT6739W chipset paired with PowerVR GE8100 GPU. The smartphone packs with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 1TB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of software, the handset runs on Android 10 with One UI 2.0 skin on top, and it comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a micro USB charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164 by 75.9 by 9.1 millimeters, and it weighs around 206 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Samsung Galaxy A02 has been priced in Thailand at 2,999 Thai bahts, and it will be available for purchase in the country in black and blue color options. So, what do you guys think of this Galaxy A02 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.